What's up, pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech Peaches back with another video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reassure your clients when they are trying something new. This particular client was getting duckies for the first time. She was hesitant at first, but she's ready, and y'all, she ended up loving them. Can we cut these down?
Yes.
Okay, so what, you said you're going to go with the duckies. Is that still?
Yeah. Took some screenshots of ideas I had in my phone. What did I save? And I know some stuff that I didn't screenshot, I saved it.
I'm mad at people who's trying to be haters and convince you not to do it, but
No, for real. I'm like, oh, y'all get on my nerves.
Oh.
Why you guys don't like it?
What made you decide to do it this time around? Because I feel like it's a lot of people, they gotta work their way in.
I've been like thinking about it. I'm like, okay, let me do it. But I feel like I've let people get in my head too much. Like, no, you shouldn't. Like, I don't know, it's not cute. And I'm like, then I'm just really sitting here like, oh, why do I even care about what you guys like?
Exactly. Yeah, a lot of people, it take a little, I don't want to say convincing, but it do take people a little minute to come around to the fact of like, you know, no, this is what I want. I'm not going to say next time. I'm not going to say, oh, my birthday. I'm not going to, you know. Or people be feeling like, I don't have no special events. I don't have nothing coming up that. But it's like, you don't have to do all that. Is that one of the examples?
Well, it was one that I kind of seen, but you know, like sometimes when I see it and I'm like, okay, well, I like the certain nail on that one, so maybe like I want one like that. Or something.
Like an actual French tip set, or just like certain
no, like
things?
You know how like certain ones, like mother freak, like how like the little bling was like on some of them. I'm like, that was cute, but then so this was from Instagram, but. Oh my God. Because then I was like, I kind of like.
So before we really get into this video, I really just want to show you guys what we look like after the soak off and prepping her for tips. Absolutely beautiful. Her nails are in such good health. It's honestly amazing. These are the colors we're using. You guys already know I have a coupon code Peaches for money off. And of course, you guys can join my channel memberships to become extra pretty. Okay, here are some perks of joining my channel membership. It is only $5 a month, so do that if you please. Okay, so really quickly, let me just go ahead and give you some backstory. So this particular client has been with me for years. I'm talking what, 3-4 years at this point. And she had expressed, as you guys saw in the clip, she had expressed that she'd been wanting to try duckies for a while. We were talking about it a little bit more, and you know, I'm like, so then girl, why haven't you? And she did say she felt like she let people kind of get in her head about it. There are so many people who have a specific type of hate for duckies. You should honestly see the type of comments that I've gotten over YouTube over the years. I personally don't mind, but you know what? Everybody is not that type of person all the time that can take those type of comments. Now, luckily for this particular client, she is one of those people that decided, you know what, why do I care what other people think? Because I really don't. It's my nails. And like she even said, okay, the people who were telling her not to get duckies or that they're ugly are people who don't even get their mother freaking nails done. Okay, so she finally was ready and she was very excited. Now, you guys saw the inspiration that she chose, and I feel like it was a really good set to start off for duckies. This particular length I would consider as a shorter length, a medium short length in my chair, and this is a typical length that she might start with. Her nails do grow fast, which means she does have the potential to get into the medium length really quickly. Okay, so what we decided to go with is some bling with an ombre. Now, this is not a tutorial. All right, I am gonna do an ombre tutorial for short nails, but this ain't that, okay? So when your clients express to you that they want to try something and maybe they change their mind, or maybe, oh, next time, what you really should be doing is telling them like, okay, what about that do you want to try? What about that do you like? Start asking them questions so you can get to the bottom of what it is that they're looking for. Because the thing is, when people don't get reassured and those good affirmations, what happens is that people tend to back out of what they actually want to do. So if you have a client who has been talking about for a while, like, oh, I've always wanted to do this, I don't feel like I can pull this off, what you should say is, oh, girl, there ain't no reason you can't do that. What's stopping you? You know what I'm saying? So that way they can talk through it for themselves, and that way they can determine, like, you know what, maybe there isn't something stopping me. And for some people, it's just a matter of being a little bit indecisive. So sometimes they just need the nail tech to kind of take control. I know it can be really easy to just look at a picture, do what's in the picture, go ahead and do what the client wants and everything like that. But our job as nail techs goes a little bit deeper, because we are customer service providers at the end of the day. And honestly, we should be encouraging our customers to do the things that they really like. Now, it might take them time to find their style, but if you notice a trend over time in what they say or pictures that they show you, that should tell you, like, you know what, I think they actually want this, and the thing that they are waiting around for, or the thing that's stopping them, it's not really that big of a deal. Because at the end of the day, why shouldn't you do the nails that you want to do just because? Why does it have to be a birthday? Why does it have to be a vacation? You know what I'm saying? Now, understandably, if it is their job that's preventing them, for example, if the nails are not conducive to their job, or they're not allowed to have certain type of nails at their job, then by all means, of course, don't continue to encourage something that literally they cannot do, because then that's going to put a bad taste in their mouth. But if it's something that they don't have no reason of why not, girl, if you don't go ahead and tell them people to get what the heck they want to get, and who cares about everybody else? Because at the end of the day, they sit in this chair so that way they can look fly, okay? So also with the bling, she did show me pictures of bling like on the side of a nail, bling that was kind of framing the nail a little bit, and she wasn't all the way decided, so I took it upon myself to go ahead and give her this particular design, which she ended up loving. So again, I saw a trend in what she was showing me. I broke it down to say, hey, bling on just one side of the nail going down, that looks good on that particular person. There's no reason it wouldn't look good on you. Per this shape, there's no reason why it wouldn't look good. And I took that a step further and gave her something that fit her personality and her. Because again, when your client is expressing that they want something, but maybe they're just a little bit uneasy about it, that means that you definitely should be encouraging them. And sometimes just take the lead. Now, again, there are some clients that maybe they're expressing it and maybe they actually don't want to do something yet. But to be honest, you guys, it's only a matter of time. Some people just need to break out of their shell as well. Some people are stopped by what they're seeing in a picture because they can't break the picture down in little parts and see what is it exactly that they like. Okay, so just remember that you want to dig a little deeper, ask questions so you can get to the bottom of it, break down the pictures. When you see a picture, explain back to them what you're seeing. Because at the end of the day, sometimes they just need someone else to be on their side. Sometimes they just need to hear somebody say, you know what, that is cute. Sometimes clients just need to know that at least, if nothing else, their nail tech thinks their set is fire. Because at the end of the day, even though we don't care what others think, we always want someone to join in and participate in the fact that we like something. We always want to get complimented, and that's what it's all about, okay? So I know this video is short. Remember, I am out of town. I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. Thanks for watching. Of course, subscribe, notifications on, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.